Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Dynamics 365 Copilot for sales call wrap-ups, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Dynamics 365 Copilot for sales call wrap-ups, begin by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. On the left side, find and select the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Sales. In the Sales settings, look for the Features section. Here, you will find the option for Copilot for Sales. Enable this feature by toggling the switch to the on position. After enabling, confirm your changes by clicking the Save button. Next, return to the main dashboard. From there, go to the Sales area and select a recent sales call. Open the sales call record to access its details. In the call details, look for the wrap-up section. You should see an option allowing you to use Copilot for generating wrap-up notes. Click on this option to initiate the wrap-up process. Copilot will analyze the call details and provide suggested notes. Review the generated wrap-up notes provided by Copilot. Feel free to edit or modify these notes as necessary. Once satisfied with the wrap-up, click on the Save button to finalize the notes. Your sales call wrap-up is now complete with the assistance of Dynamics 365 Copilot. You can continue to utilize this feature for future sales calls to enhance efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.